Do you see? Yeah. So some other question, guys, not all the time they need LCD. So your LCD, guys, just try to apply it as your last option when you don't have another second options there. Do you see how long it is? This thing, it might take 7 mark then, or 6 mark, I don't know. Then what about for this one? For this one, guys, it's a must for you to take a LCD, because here there is no way that you can combine fraction because their denominator are not the same. So let's just go straight to the point there. So our LCD here. So our LCD, you take everything there, but what is the same, you take it once, meaning that 3 there is the same. You take everything, guys, everything. Do you see? And now this is what will happen, guys. Now that LCD, guys, it will multiply in each thing there. It will multiply in each thing. And now let me show you guys some tricky part there that you can do. That LCD, when it multiply there, do you notice this thing there, it will go on a what? On a denominator, on a numerator, something like this. By the way, this, it will just go there on a numerator. It means that this thing there, it will be 10, which is 3x then x2. It will go there on a numerator, and then on your denominator then you will have this thing, then say plus this thing there, when it multiplied, it will go on a numerator x2, and that one, guys, that one there will disappear, because anything there when you multiply with 1 you get the same thing. Then all of this thing there, it go there on your numerator, which is 4, which is there, it's what, it's 3, 1 and 2 there, divided by x plus 2. This is what will happen there. If you take your LCD, you multiply each term, it will only go to the numerator, meaning now this will get cancelled, this will cancel, this will cancel, this will get cancelled. This is what now you will have there. You will have that 10 as x plus 2 plus, which is x2, which is equal to this thing that will give you 12, which is that term. So this thing, guys, it's a linear equation, and I show you guys how to solve linear equation. You just expand, this will multiply here, multiply there. So symbol says that this thing there will be 10x plus 20 plus this multiply there, it's what, it's x2. This multiply there, it's minus x, multiply there, it's minus x positive 2. This multiply there, it's 12x minus 12. Do you see? And now you collect what you call like term. Which one are the like term here? This, it's a like term with that and that, a number to a number. So symbol says that this is what you're supposed to get there. This and that, guys, they will give you positive 7x. This with that one, they're supposed to give you 20 there. I'm lying. Here it's 19 there. I'm kidding. Here it's 18 there. Do you see, guys, this thing, it's 18. Then this one there, it's here on this side. Then take this one there on one side there. They change the sign. Here it's 0, which is 18 plus x7 plus 2 there. Then collect the like term here. This, it's a like term with that. This, a number to a number. Meaning when you press this thing there on a calculator, I think that you're supposed to get 5, the negative 5. 7 minus 12. Yeah, I'm a fucking genius, guys. Which is there, it's minus 5, the x, which is x2. And now what about this and that one there, which is the 18 plus 12, which is 30 there. Meaning this thing there, it's plus 30 there. And now let's press this thing as our quadratic equation. Meaning this, on our quadratic equation, it will be minus 5 plus minus 5 squared plus, oh, negative, guys. Don't forget that, guys, put plus there all the time there, it's negative, which is there, it's 1, and here it's 30, divided by 2 and 1. Oh, is it anything that I pressed wrong? So do you see, guys, if you see a question here like this, everything there it's been pressed correct, guys, with no doubt. As you can even try to check my calculator, I got error. If, guys, you got the error after all this long run, don't worry, don't hesitate, just relax and write this thing there. No solution. That is the answer for X. Or if you don't know the spelling of solution, just say error there. That spelling of error, you'll get it there on a calculator, guys. Do you see this thing? Yeah, just like that there. This question, guys, it has finished my space now. What about this one there? How will I do this thing? Oh, guys, this one, it's a special question because it got its own space, as you can see. Anyway, guys, let me just solve this thing and take a rest. I'm exhausted. By the way, let me just go straight here. For this one, guys, this thing there, you should make sure, guys, all the denominator been factorized completely, guys. So this thing there, it's supposed to be factorized. That's one, it's what they call difference of two squares. That's how you do this thing, guys. Difference of two squares, x plus 1. I hope, guys, you did understand what I did there. So for this one, guys, let me take -1 there. This will divide it, become positive. This divided, it's -1 there, which is here it's 9 and here it's minus. I hope, guys, you did understood what I did here. Those are what we call difference of two squares, guys. Yeah. So if you don't understand this, try to do a research about difference of two squares, guys, please. Then now let me just go straight forward here, which is this will multiply here, and when these two things, guys, multiply, difference sign give you negative, divide by x1, which is here it's x and here it's positive there, and here it's 8, which is there it's -1. And now I can take my LCD. When I take the LCD, guys, I will only check my numerator, my denominator, by the way. And what I will do there, I will take everything, but what is repeating, I count it once, that thing, which is this one there, I will take it once, then the other one there, I will take it as the way it is. And this, guys, it will multiply each term, meaning this thing they will get multiply here like this term, which is here it's 18, divide there, let me write this thing the way it is, and it will multiply there, meaning it will go upwards them, just like this there. Do you see? And now when it multiply there, guys, here you've got -1, it will multiply here, as you can see. Do you see? Yeah. And now this is what will happen now. Here's some interesting part, the one of cancelling. Cancel. Hey, guys, I love that thing of cancelling, which is this thing, it's 8, which is 9x. Then for this one now, this will start by multiplying inside there. When it multiply inside them, or okay, let me just do it like that. This will multiply the minus and +1. And here I got something like this there. Do you see? And now this will multiply here, they will multiply them. Then for this one, they will multiply them. Now I'm expanding, guys. So it's good for you if you know how to simplify what? A linear. Which is this is that linear equation, by the way. This multiply there, it's x2 minus x. This multiply there. When you multiply anything, you multiply by 1, you'll get the same thing, guys. Do you see? Meaning now these two things are like term, we got 1 and 1. Meaning if you can press this thing on a calculator, you'll get 0. Meaning this one, they will cancel. Do you see? This is what you're supposed to get there, which is minus x2 plus 1. Then for this one, these two things, guys, are like term. A number to a number there. You're supposed to get +9 there. I'm sure that I'm not lying, because I never doubt myself. I'm a king, which is this one, it's 9. Just like that, they take everything to one side. That thing they become positive, which is 9 plus 9 minus 1, 0, which is this thing, it's x2. Then now you can collect a number to a number, it gives you 8. Then for this one, guys, because I know you don't know how to factorize, obvious. I'm kidding, guys, but what I know, most of the learners, guys, they struggle with factorize there. So that's why we use a quadratic equation there. This one, quadratic equation, guys, it's our superhero, by the way. This one is our superhero. And most of the learners there, guys, on grade 10, you know, those one, guys, they were cruising nicely, those one. They don't want to learn factorizing. That's why now they are struggling. So this is what I get, guys, when I press this thing on quadratic equation. So meaning this thing there, guys, it's 8. And now let me find a second answer there. Press -9, meaning that I'll get 1 there. Take this thing there on one side, which is this thing there. It's my first bracket A. Then take that thing there on one side, meaning this one is bracket B there. Do you see? So those brackets, I'll come and form them here, which is, this is what is happening. I'll equate each bracket there by 0, each bracket there by 0, and then now I solve, which is now my first answer, it's 8. My second answer is supposed to be 1. Do you see? Then for a learner who know how to factorize, you can factorize this thing. Then let's estimate, guys, the marks here. It will be 1, 2, 3. Then where is it? For you, finding LCD is correct. Eliminating a fraction using a LCD is correct there. Then, oh, another thing, guys, when you learn those, when you simplify until to its standard form, that's a mark there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it might be 6 mark, by the way. Do you see? Yeah. So thank you, guys, for your time. This is the end of the video. Just enjoy your studies, by the way, and get motivated and make sure that you practice. All the best.